So for today's super easy chicken and rib seasoning chaffles, we have 3 ingredients. We have 1 large egg, 2/3 of a cup of grated mozzarella cheese, and then we have a teaspoon of this keg chicken and rib seasoning. Now obviously, if you make your own seasoning, that would be even better. I'm just lazy, so this is what I have. So let's get set up and get mixing. Okay, so I have my 1 egg all beaten up here. So we're gonna add our 2/3 of a cup of mozzarella cheese into that. Now I like to use mozzarella cheese to just let the other ingredients, flavors shine through. Plus it gives you a nice cheesy pull on the chaffles when they're done. So we'll get those mixed in. Now these would be amazing as like burger buns or for sandwich bread. Just to give it some more flavor to whatever you're using the chaffles for. And of course they'd be a nice little side dish as well. But we've got our cheese and egg mixed together there now. So we're gonna add our teaspoon of seasoning here. Now again, I would encourage you to use your favorite seasoning. I've made chaffles with steak seasoning as well. Those turned out really good. Just something to give it easy flavor. You know, this is definitely not meant to be anything complicated. This is super simple, but it will add a lot of flavor to your chaffles. So that's all mixed in. We'll get the Dash Minis warmed up and we'll get cooking. I was really happy with how these chaffles turned out. Hopefully you'll give them a try and let me know what you think down in the comments below. Nice cheese pull there. Lots of flavor in these. Great burger buns or sandwich bread. So we'll see you next week for another chaffle recipe. Keep on thriving, my friends.